Hello guys, my name is Basil and I'm on a solo video and you are in this Philippine city town is a town where me and Hazel lived in. Well, she's living up there and I'm living down here. So today we're finding a base for me, not just a base, a secret base. So we're making this base. I don't know where, but maybe let's find it. Well, meron ako nakitang base dito dati. Diyan. Pero, sakit! Wait, tigil kami. Please, stop. Dito ba yun? Baka meron pa. Ay, wala na. Wala na. So, maybe we could make it on a swamp. Because meron kaming close swamp here. Malapit lang siya. Kaya close eh. And this island could be. Oh, that one. That one. No, please don't kill me. And that looks good. We're just next to the swamp. We're making an underground base. So this island is yeah, this is not an island. Maybe that looks like a volcano. What? So maybe here, just here of our island. This is close to our island anyway, so I think it's good. Just don't need gold. On our group video, I think we're getting diamonds there. Ooh, this one's good, this one. So, editor. Fast forward. Thing would, but it's good. Fine. I made something here before. Right here. I forgot where it was. I think it was here, maybe. I think just my mini hole. I just want my mini hole. Just mine it here. Wait. By the way, if you want to watch Hazel's channel, I'll tell it right here. There. So watch it right now. So tell me any secrets if you find any. No, I'm not here. Oh. Nah, I guess it's just gonna be a base. A mini cabin. Oh, it's night. I forgot it's night. Kill me, zombie. That's invisible spider. Oh no, that's a wandering trader. That island. That island over there. Or this island. Yeah, this island is good. So mine under. Ow! Ow! Okay guys, so I'm done na. And 1, 2, 3. Then 1. And then palitan pala to. 1, 2, 1, 2. Need din natin. Ito na lang na lantern. Kung maliit siya, sorry. This is just room. Next the ladder. And saan ko nilagay yung birch tree? Birch. Ow! 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 Hindi ako maka-move. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Please, just let me go. Okay. Long process. Pala wala yung bed ko. Dito pala yung bed, hindi bahay. Forgot. Good. This is... Oops. Okay. Sorry, Hazel. Let's sleep. And we just need to add a brick. Do you have a brick, please? Please, just one. No, Hazel doesn't have any brick, please. Kaya magmamay na rin tayo. There we go. What if I lost the floating tree? To add a remembrance, because I can't remember honestly. Go. Ay, wow. So, there we go. If you want more videos like this, like, and one like, I'll do another video. Thanks.